Hey guys, so today I'll be doing a new videos about my school supplies. Okay, first of all, this is my shoe and I got the free timetable. Very cool. Okay, so I use like this kind of shoelace shoes. Yeah. And the price is $39.90. Second one is my stocking. I got pink stocking because I love pink. You know, right guys? I love pink. That's all. Okay, so this is my pencil box. So this is how it looks like. It's like a purse, handbag. Like the price is $16.90. The next one is my sharpener. So one of them I'm gonna give to my brother because I got two. So I'm gonna choose pink because I love pink. So blue I'm gonna give to my brother. Okay, so the second one is this eraser. So I got two erasers for school, so I'm gonna bring two of them to school. And the next one is the Faber-Castell box, pencil box. So I can't open now because there's a tape there, so my mom don't let me to open. So yeah, this is how it looks like. It got 24 watercolor pencils, brush, 2B pencil, sharpener. So the bed, it looks like that. And it's made of Faber-Castell. I love Faber-Castell. And the price is $17.49. Okay, the next one is my uniform. I only bought one because I got a lot of uniform upstairs. So I bought only one. So the price is $14.90. Okay, so the last one is my bag. I like this bag. This is a bright pink bag and it's Minnie Mouse. Very nice. So okay, so the price is $109. So you got this thing to open it. So I just unlock it and now just a zip there. You just have to open it. So I can put books inside here. And here, that's the first zip. The second zip is this one. I just open it. This is the first zip, and I'm gonna open it. Okay, I just open it. So, and this is how it looks like. So there's a small pocket here. You just have to open it and close it. And here you just empty thing. And down here you got a pocket here. And yeah, this is how it looks like. Okay, so here you can put some water bottle here. Another side too, the same one. Okay, so this is my school supplies. And by the way, I got the books, my school books. Okay, so this is my school books. I just wrap the books, all of them, and then I just stick my name here. So my class and my name. So I'm Lima Kenanga. So yeah. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe, comment, and like. So bye. See you in the next video. Bye.